Okay, so this is a Joy for All robotic cat made by Hasbro. It's pretty similar to their LuLu My Cuddlin Kitty robot. I think the mechanical aspects of it are exactly the same, just has different fur and slightly different programming. But unlike most of Hasbro's robots, it's marketed toward the elderly and disabled adults instead of children. I don't think that many of these have been sold yet since they were just introduced in December, but this is the one I have. It doesn't do all that much since it's just supposed to be sort of relaxing to hold. It can move around a bit, basically can do all the movements that the LuLu My Cuddlin Kitty can. It raises its paw, can roll over, makes a few noises other than just the purring. Yeah, this is what I mean about it going on purring for a very long time. It's kind of annoying when it does that, but I think it's just sort of meant to be calming when you're holding it. It can also be put on mute if you don't want it to make all the noises.